The Bestop upper door sliders for a factory soft top are for those of you that have a 1997 to 2006 TJ that has a soft top and also has half doors installed on it that are looking for something that's going to be a little bit easier to open and close than those soft upper doors. These are going to install very easily, 1 out of 3 wrenches. They really just drop into place on top of your doors, and these are going to add a ton of functionality to your TJ. We're going to show you how to get these installed in just a second. So if you have a set of factory soft upper doors on your Jeep, you know that in order to open them up, you need to unzip them, which isn't the easiest thing to do while you're driving. If you're coming up to a toll booth, it can be a little bit of a battle. And when they are folded down, they're kind of in the way of your elbow. So not a great solution, at least in my opinion, if you're somebody who wants to be able to open and close that soft upper and not just have to be completely stopped, have the door open and remove the soft upper. So this is going to give you the ability to open and close that window. Of course, the soft uppers as well with the zippers and everything flexing and moving can eventually start to wear out, break down when they start to get old. The windows themselves being plastic can get scratched like the other 3 plastic windows in your Jeep. There are just a lot of reasons to want something like this installed on your half doors. This is going to give you essentially a soft door here and all the way around. This is going to be a factory black diamond material, but it replaces that plastic window with 2 pieces of sliding glass. So these are going to have latches built into them. They can be latched all the way closed, both of them. They're gonna seal up really tight with some weather stripping all the way around here. So perfect seal, almost like you have full doors on the Jeep. Then if you need to open it up to get some air in, when you're coming up to a toll booth, whatever it might be, it's very easy. These are just a spring-loaded latch here. You just push on it and pull the glass. You can either pull that front section back or pull the back section forward to open them up. Of course, you are going to get a kit here that's going to include both sides of your Jeep. So this is a piece that is going to add a ton of functionality to your Jeep. I think they look better, they definitely work better, they're gonna seal up tighter. There aren't a lot of reasons that you wouldn't want these if you had a set of half doors on your Jeep, at least in my opinion, except the cost. These are from Bestop. They're an incredibly high quality option for you when it comes to sliding upper doors for your TJ, but because of the quality you're getting, you're gonna pay a premium price. These are gonna come in at right around $600 for the pair. If you have the budget for it, this is going to be the best option out there for you. If you don't, certainly there are some less expensive options out there that aren't going to wear as well or seal up quite as tight because of the weather stripping or look as good or whatever it might be. And those are gonna be less expensive choices out there. But if you're looking for what, in my opinion, is the best choice for you, this is going to be it. And the price honestly is worth the additional quality that you're going to get. So like I said, these are going to install incredibly easily onto your Jeep, 1 out of 3 wrenches. Let's show you how to do it.
All right, let's get our factory soft top uppers out of the way here. I'm just gonna open up the door here, grab our window, lift straight up. Now we're gonna bring in our new hard upper sliders. Close it up. Hey guys, that's gonna wrap up my install of the Bestop upper door sliders for your factory soft top TJ. And for all things Wrangler, keep it here at ExtremeTerrain.com.